Okay, so I'm sitting at the kitchen table and the round is full, or the clip is full. All 5 rounds are in there. That cartridge is empty. Here is a full CO2. All right, loading the CO2. Just give me a minute here. Okay, tightening in the cap. And just hand tight. Now I'm torquing it with the clip. All right, as I'm torquing it, the projectiles, it's not loaded. It's an empty chamber, as you can see. Now I'm about to load it, and it is now loaded. Safety is on, and it's loaded. Okay, so here I'm about to pull the trigger, but the barrel is pointed at the sliding glass door, so I changed directions of the launcher. And now I will pull the trigger and see what takes place.